Hello again, and welcome back to my channel Sweet Nails. I hope you all are doing amazing today. I am going to be using fake nails instead of my real nails because I've already done my nails. I did them a few days ago. I do have something fun to show you all today. I did get a new gel polish. It is a cat eye gel by Gelish. It's from their Magnetic Reflections collection in the color Let's Glow Girls. Do not be fooled by this color. At first glance, it looks like it's going to be this deep purple color, which it is. The magnetic stuff in it is deep purple, but it also reflects as yellow and green, and sometimes a little bit coppery depending on the light. But under artificial light, it looks way more purple compared to the natural sunlight. And also, it has a very translucent base. It's just slightly black, but the more you build it, the darker it does get. Now, you can put this over a black gel polish, which I did do with my nails. That's how I did my nails the other day. But I wanted to try this on a clear base, which is what I started to do on my own nails, but my nails are like super short right now because I cut them down. And I didn't really like how it looked on my short nails. And even though these press-on nails or soft gel tip nails, whatever, they're still short, but it looks so much better on a longer nail base. When you buy these cat eye gels, they do come with a magnet. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. It looks a little goofy. I've never seen a magnet with such a long rectangular magnet on it before. But it's very strong and very tricky to use. I was honestly, you'll see throughout the video, I'm kind of struggling to use the magnets today. I don't know what's going on. The vibes were just off. With the first layer, I took the magnet and I made all of the magnetic particles disappear just so I had a clear base. And then I went in after I cured and did a second layer, and that's when I did the cat eye design on top. I'm wanting to try a cat eye gel from Gelish for a while now, but I am very hesitant to order from their website. If I don't have to, I won't do it because their website has so many issues. Doesn't matter if it's on my phone, although on my phone I do have the most issues, but on the personal computer, like a PC, I have less issues, but the main issue is that I can't log into my account even though my password is correct. It says it's not. Have that issue on the phone too. And also, your cart will glitch out. I added a nail file and then I went to a page with the gel that I wanted to order and I added it to my cart. And when I click on my cart, what is in my cart? 2 nail files and no gel polish, even though I added it to my cart. So I was like, that's weird. I am not gonna even try to order it. So by the grace of God, Cosmoprof actually got these in stock. Not all of them, but they did have the one color that I wanted, which was Let's Glow Girls. This is what I'm using in this video. So I was very happy that they got them in stock. For 2 of the nails, I added this glittery translucent color as a base because I just wanted to see what it looked like with the cat eye on top. However, in hindsight, I don't really think that it mattered that much that I put it on because, I mean, you'll see, if you watch the video, you'll see what it looks like in the end. But it was an experiment. I tried. It's cool. without a dark base color, the cat eye doesn't really pop out as much, so I ended up doing another layer of the gel on top, and it came out so much brighter and it looks really, really glowy. Now this is what they all look like with another coat of the cat eye gel. It still doesn't look like much to me, but it does eventually all come together. You just gotta keep watching. I used my gold gel paint to paint snowflakes on 2 of the nails, and I wish I had used a reference photo for this because I was just going off of I was going off the dome and they look alright. But before I show you guys that clip, I did want to show you what the gel looks like over a black base. I had to take my glove off because I got gel all over it. But this is what it looks like. And like I said, under artificial light, it just looks purple. This snail, I am using a long liner brush and my hard gel to make this little swoopy design. And I'm still learning how to do this kind of thing. I don't have like the tube of the 3D gel that you can just squeeze out. And also I used to use a short brush to try to do this, and I don't know why it just like dawned on me like, hey, you should use a long liner brush to do this long swoopy design because it would probably come out a lot better, which it did. But I don't know. The last nail, I wanted to try the velvet matte top coat on it just to see what it would look like, because originally what I wanted to do on my own nails was just no base color. Wanted to do the cat eye gel in 2 layers and then put the velvet matte top coat on top, but like I said, my nails were too short, it wasn't gonna look good. So now I can see what it looks like on a nail, and I was like, whoa, that looks really cool. So when my nails grow out, this is what I'm gonna do. Clip ended up being pretty long, so I'm just gonna explain to y'all what I'm doing really quick, and then I'll jump to what it looks like in the end. I took my liner brush and my hard gel and I did straight lines going down all the way down the nail, and then I did go around the border of the nail with the hard gel just to kind of make it seem more cohesive. I wish I had done a little bit more lines closer together, but I think it still ended up looking pretty cool. I love the matte top coat so much on this. I ended up using it on all of the nails. I don't really hardly ever use matte top coat. I have it, but I could count like on one hand the number of times that I've used it. I'm just not super into matte nails, but I think with cat eye gels, when you use a matte top coat, it just gives it a way different look, and I think it looks so cool. Of course, like everyone loves the flashy cat eye thing, but if you put a matte top coat on it, it just takes it to a whole new level. Nail with the swoopies, I wish I had done the matte top coat first and then done the hard gel swoop on top. So I took my non-white top coat and my detail brush and just went over the swoops to make them shiny. But when I make these videos, half the time, or actually majority of the time, I don't really have a plan or an idea. I just sit down and freestyle and make it up as I go along. And here's the final look. Honestly, I had a super hard time trying to get a good video and photo of this design. I was having trouble getting my lighting to cooperate to make it look good, but it looks good in person. And to be honest with you guys, I learned a lot doing this video today, and I hope you did as well. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you all, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.